Good morning students. In previous class we have completed the weighted moving average periods and even number periods and odd number periods we have completed. Now today we will discuss about the least square even number years and least square odd number of the years calculation. Okay. So in this page number weighted moving average problems are given, two problems I have given homework in previous class, okay, in last class. So I hope that the two problems are you have solved, okay. Now page number C27. So we will calculate the least squares odd number of the years. Odd number years, odd numbers and what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So infinity. So these are odd number of the years are given. You have to calculate the least square method. So how to calculate the least square method and calculate the YC is equal to మనకు ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ లీస్ట్ స్క్వేర్ మెథడ్లో YC is equal to A plus BX. In this YC is equal to A plus BXలో ఇచ్చినటువంటి టోటల్ ఇయర్స్ యొక్క వాల్యూస్లో నుంచి మనం A వాల్యూ B వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. దెన్ X is equal to number of years. So here X is equal to years ఇస్తాడు, estimation year. Total 5 years are given. In future the 6th year or 7th year we have to calculate the trend value, common value. So in 1991 to 95 are given. These are the 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are odd number of the year. Okay, total 5 years are given. This is odd period, odd number period of the years. We have to calculate the YC is equal to A plus BX value. So మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. మనకి ఇట్లా ఇయర్స్ ఇస్తాడు, దానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఎక్స్ వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తారు. సో మనకి YC ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు A ప్లస్ BXలో మనకి ఏ వాల్యూ ఎట్లా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, B వాల్యూ ఎట్లా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి అనడానికి మనకి మళ్ళీ అగైన్ A ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంటుంది మనకి. ఓకే, A ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సో A ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సిగ్మా X by N. Next sigma y by n, sorry, B is equal to sigma xy by sigma x square. Okay, so ఈ టూ వాల్యూస్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ సో YC is equal to A plus BX. X is the alphabetical, that is a alphabet type of the value. Okay, in X values are given, you have to calculate the YC value. Okay, so YC is equal to A plus BX, then A is equal to sigma y by n and then B is equal to sigma xy by n. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ మనకి కావాల్సిన ఐటమ్స్ ఏంటి, సిగ్మా y కావాలి, సిగ్మా xy కావాలి, సిగ్మా x ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ సిగ్మా x స్క్వేర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. X or Y are given. సో టోటల్ మనకి 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are, you have to find out the 6 column amounts and then after you substitute the values in these formulas. Okay, this is a calculation of the least square method, very important in this unit. Okay, in last 4 years we, in examination point of view, these type of problems are given in final exam in 4th semester 3rd unit. Okay, so this is a very important topic in this total units. Okay, so problem is construct a straight line trend values from the following data by in the method of the squares. ఓకే, స్క్వేర్స్ వాల్యూస్ని తీసుకొని మనము ట్రెండ్ వాల్యూస్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఇయర్స్ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ఇచ్చారు. items 89, 92, 71, 90 and 168. You have to calculate the yc is equal to a plus bx value. Okay. What is the a value? What is the b value? Then after you have to implement in this yc is equal to a plus bx formula. That values are implemented in this value, in this equation. Okay. So here we can write the years. First, years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total odd numbers are given, and then x value is so manaki x is equal to 3 తీసుకున్నాం. X is equal to 3, x minus a. So this is 0. 2 minus x. X minus a. A is equal to what? 3. So 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2. This is a formula. X minus a. A is equal to middle of the value తీసుకోండి. 3 minus 3 0, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay. Then items is a y. 89, 92, 71, 90, 169. Okay. The next x are find outed, then x square, this square, x square, 2 ki square 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. Sigma x is equal to x square is equal to 4 plus 1, 5, 5, 5 plus 10. Okay. Sigma y is equal to 5, 1, 1. Okay. So n is equal to 5. Okay. Next ఇంకేం కావాలి మనకి xy. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి లీస్ట్ స్క్వేర్ మెథడ్లో yc is equal to a plus bx. This is the formula. In this a is equal to sigma y by n. In this b is equal to sigma xy by n. These are the formulas. These values are find outed, then after these values are implemented in this formula. Okay. Then you have to calculate the yc is equal to a plus b x value. So here x item, here y item. Then you multiply the both items x and y. Minus 2 into minus 89. 89 2s are minus 178. Minus 92. 0. 90 1s are 90. 169 into 169. 3, 3, 8. Total sigma xy is equal to positive 300, 3, 4, 28 minus value 178, 190, 270. Then remaining amount is 5 minus 7 is here, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3 plus 1, 158. Okay. So sigma xy value here 158. Then we have to calculate the a value. A is equal to sigma y by n. Total sigma y 5 1 by 5. So a value here 102.5. This is a value. Next B is equal to sigma y by n kada. So, B is equal to sigma xy by sigma x square, sorry. So, sigma xy here 158 by 10, sigma x square here 10, 15.8. This is B value. Then A value find out it, then B value find out it. Then both items are implemented in this YC is equal to A plus BX. So, here A value 102.5 plus B value 15.8x. This is a YC is equal to BX calculation. Okay. This is a YC is equal to BX formula. The answer is correct. Okay. So, this is a calculation. So, here the total 5 years are given. So, sigma x is equal to A, assume that A is equal to middle of the value 3. So, x minus A minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2. Then x square 2 ki square 4, 1 ki square 9, 1, 0 ki square 0, 1 ki square 1, 2 ki square 4. Then total sigma x square is equal to 10. Okay. So, the items are sigma x, sigma y, sorry. So, items are 5 items are given, the total of the items sigma y is equal to 511. So, x and y. So, here x and y means this is a x column, this is a y column. Items into x, deviation of x. So, years ni manamu deviation loki change cheste manaku some items negative, some items positive వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఎప్పుడు కానీ మనం ఈ లీస్ట్ స్క్వేర్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ పీరియడ్లో ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇయర్స్లో 3నే తీసుకోండి, మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ ది వాల్యూ. 5 ఇయర్స్ ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ ది వాల్యూ. 7 ఇయర్స్ ఇస్తే 4th ఇయర్ది x is equal to A is equal to assume that value తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ xy. సో ద డీవియేషన్ ఆఫ్ x into items y is equal to -2 into 89, 89 2s are 178, minus into plus minus. So, minus into plus minus 1 into 92, 1 only 92, 0 into anything 0, 1 into 90 1, plus into plus plus, okay, plus into plus plus 2 into 69 169, 338. Okay, total of the positive values here 428 and the negative values here 270. The above the highest value is positive, then remaining item is positive. So, sigma xy is equal to 158. Okay. So, manaki yc is equal to a plus bx ane formula. Okay. Least square or odd number period aina even number period aina yc is equal to a plus bx formula. Then a is equal to what? A item etla calculation cheyali manaki. A is equal to sigma y by n and b is equal to sigma xy by sigma x square. Okay. Total sigma xy is equal to 511 by 5, A is equal to 102.5 and B is equal to sigma xy by sigma x square. So, sigma xy here remaining item 158 divided by sigma x square here 10. So, total 158 by 10 is equal to 15.8. Then, it two values to implement this yc is equal to a plus bx formula. So, in this A value is 102.5, then B value is 158, 15.8x. Then in future estimated year ichchadu anukondi, 7th year x value sub 7 ani ichchadu anukondi. So x is equal to 7 to implement this x value to find out the total yc value, common factor value. Okay. Next sum 7th. These are the calculate the trend values by the method of the least square from the data given below. Estimated the sales for the year 1985. సో మనకి ఎస్టిమేటెడ్ ఇయర్ ఇచ్చారు 1976 to 1985, 80 వరకు మనకి ఇయర్ ఇచ్చి ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఎస్టిమేటెడ్ ద సేల్స్ వాల్యూ. మనకి సేల్స్ థౌజండ్స్లలో 9, 12, 14, 16, 20 ఇచ్చారు. ఇన్ ఎస్టిమేటెడ్ సేల్స్ 1985లో హౌ మచ్ ద సేల్స్ ఆఫ్ ది క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ అనేది మనము క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, సో చేద్దాం. So here the 5 years are given, same x values are same, 0, -1, +1, +2, -2. Okay, this is a future estimated sales values are calculated. So here years, nineteen 76, 1977, 1978, 79, 1980. ఓకే, సో మనకి ఇంకా 85 అనేది క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేయమన్నాడు, క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ సేల్స్, సేల్స్ హియర్ 9, 12, 14, 16, 20. So this is a y, sigma y is equal to total 10, 11, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 10, 10, 20, 21, 5, 7, 71. Then n is equal to 5. Okay, then x value, a is equal to, assume that third value, third year 1978 is a, assume the value, x 78 minus 78, 0, minus 1, minus 2, plus 1, plus 2. Okay, this is a x square 41014. Okay, sigma x square here 10. The next one, sigma xy, trend values are calculated in this trend values, future estimated sales trend values. Okay, so here xy, x square also find outed, then x value are find outed. 1979 minus 77 minus 78, estimated year a is equal to 78, x minus a is equal to x. Okay, so here xy minus 2 into 9, minus 18, minus 12, 0, 16, 22 is 40. Okay, so minus values here, plus values, plus 56 minus 30 plus 26. Okay, next you have to calculate the yc is equal to a plus bx. So a is equal to sigma y by n. So sigma y is equal to what? The sigma y value 71 by 5. So a is equal to 14.5, 14.2. Okay, this is the a value. The next b value you have find out as sigma xy by sigma x square. So already we have calculated the sigma x square value and sigma xy value. right? Sigma xy is equal to 26 by 10, so 2.6. So b value are find out at 2.6, okay. So then 2.6 yc is equal to 14.2 plus 2.6 x. This is a formula. Yc is equal to equation. The next trend values are calculated. Every year trend values. So 1976, the x is equal to -2. Okay. Then equation yc is equal to a plus bx లో a plus bx లో 14.2 plus 2.6 into -2. 14.2 plus 2.6 into -2 here 5.2 minus 5.2 here 14.2 minus 5.2 here 9. Yc is equal to 9. The trend values here 9 in 1976. In 1977, so Yc is equal to 14.2 plus 2.6 x, then x is equal to -1 here 14.2 plus 2.6 to -1. So 14.2 plus minus 2 plus into minus 2.6. So here the value is 11.6. 11.6. 77, 11.6. Okay. The next to 1978. So 14.2 plus x value 2.60. So anything into 0, 0. So 14.2, 1978. So this is 11.6. This is 14.2. Next 1979, x is equal to +1. So 14.2 plus 2.6 x. So here 14.2 plus 2 into 6 into 1. So 14.2 plus 2 into 1, 2. 2.6 into 1, 2.61. So here 16.8. 16.8. Okay. Next 1980. Yc is equal to 14.2 plus 2.6 x, then x is equal to +2. So 14.2 plus 2 into 6 into 2. X value to find out the in this equation 14.2 plus 2 into 2.6 into 2 is equal to 5.2. 5.2. So 19.4. This is 1980. Okay. So this is 1980 lo 19.4. In estimated of the future value 1995. 85 అని అడిగాడు. 81, 82, 1983, 1984, 1985. ఓకే. సో 1980కి పాజిటివ్ 3 వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They estimated the x value here 7. 7. 1985 x is equal to 7. So substitute the yc is equal to 14.2 plus 2.6 x. Then x value here 14.2 plus 2.6 into 7. Okay. 14.2 plus 2.6 into future estimated value is 7, 7 into 2.6, here 18.2, then total 32.4, this is a 19, YC is equal to 1985 year. So, this is the process of the calculation of the YC is equal to A plus BX formula. If future trend value is calculated, in the X values are dependent in this future estimated values. Okay. So, this is a calculation of the least square odd number periods of the calculation. Okay. So, mostly depending upon the X values, okay, you have to choose the middle of the year, assume that 1978 minus 1977 minus 1, 1976 minus 1978 minus 2, increase the values, increase the year, positive value, before the year, negative value. So, in estimated trend value, in future values are find outed, okay, and before values are not given, only future estimated values are given, okay. అంటే పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చేస్తాడు మనకి. ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్లో 1990 నుంచి 1995 అడుగుతాడు, 1997 అడగచ్చు. ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఎస్టిమేటెడ్ ఎట్లా వచ్చేస్తుంది మనకి, ఎక్స్ మైనస్ ఏ ఫార్ములా ఉంది కదా మనకి, ఎక్స్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1978 ఇయర్ తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ. ఓకే. సో 1978 ఒక 1990 85 మైనస్ 1978, సో 85 మైనస్ 78, 78, okay. This 3 and this 2 and 5, 7 years, okay. So, this is a calculation of the, you have to find out the x value, then after x square value, then after y into x value. So, minus 2 into 9, 18, minus 1 into 12, minus 12, 0 into anything, 0, 1 into 16, 16, 2 into 20, 40, then total positive 56, negative 30, okay. Then after remaining amount is a positive. Next future estimated values, YC is equal to A plus BX అనేది trend values. You have to calculate the A value sigma x by n and B value sigma xy by sigma x square. The next one, two values are substituted in this formula. YC is equal to A plus BX. Already we have to calculate the A value, and next we have to calculate the B value. The both values are substituted in this formula. YC is equal to A plus BX. Okay. Then after we have to calculate the trend values. Okay. Trend values, how to calculate the trend values? The x values are implement in this x place. Okay. Total the x value, every year x values are implement in this YC is equal to A plus BX. The x ప్లేస్ లో మనకి x కాలంలో ఉన్నటువంటి అమౌంట్స్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తూ టోటల్ YC వాల్యూని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే. సో హియర్ A వాల్యూ ఆల్రెడీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్, దెన్ B వాల్యూ వీ హ్యావ్ క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్ అండ్ x వాల్యూ. ఈ 1976లో x వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉంది ఇక్కడ మనకి, -2. సో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ ఇన్ దిస్ -2 into 2.6, 5.2. So, plus into minus, minus. So, 14.2 is a positive, 5.2 is a negative. So, remaining amount 9 is a positive amount. The positive is increasing amount and negative is the lowest amount. Okay. So, remaining amount is a trend value YC is equal to 9. Okay. Then next to 1977 YC is equal to 14.2 plus 2.6x. So, here 1977 lo here x value is -2, -2 into -1 into 2.6, minus into plus minus, -2.61 is 2.6, okay. 14.2 minus 2.6 here 11.6, okay. The next we have to write here 11.6. Next 1978 the x value is 0, 0 into anything 0. So, only 14.2 is a 14.2 we can write here trend column lo, okay. Next 1978 the x value is 1, positive 1 here, the x value here positive 1. So, positive 2.6x into 1, 2.6. So 14.2 plus 2.6 here, 16.8. Okay. The trend value here we can write the column correct place to 16.8. The next 1980 YC is equal to 14.2 plus 2.6x. So x value is positive 2. To implement in this formula 2. 2 into 2.6 here 5.2 minus plus into plus plus. So 14.2 is a positive, 5.2 is a positive, 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 positive. Okay. So plus into plus plus we can write 19.4. So as it is we can write the 19.4. This column is completed. Next, the future estimated sales 1985. Okay. How to calculate the future estimated value? So 1985, already we have calculated 1980, then before year 1985. So 1981 minus 78, 1982 minus 78, 1983 minus 78, and last one 1985 minus 78, we have to calculate the 7. Okay. So you implement this x value in this place, x column, 2.6 into 7, 18.2, 14.2 plus 18.2 is 13.4, the YC is equal to A plus PX value. Okay. This is the calculation of the least square odd number years of the calculation.